In the workshop this week, I'm going to see if I can get the plane iron from my little Quangsheng low angle block plane here to be sharp enough to shave with. That's coming up next. So following on from last week's video where I did not refurbish, I refreshed, revitalised this old Stanley 5.5 jack plane. I had a couple of comments in the comments about that video when I did the sharpening about how I hadn't sort of tested it against the hairs on the back of my arm. It wasn't really a sharpening video and I didn't want to dwell on that too much. But I do need to resharpen my little Quangsheng block plane. And I thought, well, maybe I'll pay a little bit more attention to it, because if I sharpen it and then maybe I'll strop it, I've got some stropping honing compound, I'll give that a try and just see how sharp we can actually get it. So that's what I'm going to do right now. So I didn't talk much about the sharpening process before because it wasn't a sharpening video. All I do anyway, is once I've got the grinding angle sorted, I just rest the iron on the abrasive and then just lift it up a fraction at the back to get that 5-degree angle. You make a few strokes, nice, firm, even pressure on lapping film like this that I'm using. I usually do most pressure on the pull stroke rather than the push, because yes, I have occasionally gone in a little bit too deep and scraped the lapping film off completely. But a few strokes like that on the coarse, and then the same again on the medium. Same thing exactly, we just find the level of the grinding angle and just lift it very slightly. And then we do the fine. And that gives us a pretty nice edge. But as I say, the thing about this is, can we get that better by honing? Let's give it a try. Same as before, we get the spit out a little bit, just on some flat MDF. So we get the grinding angle in flat against the surface, and then just lift it slightly. And we just go over it, and over it, and over it. So there we are, honing with a compound has definitely improved the sharpness of the blade. No question, it's certainly sharp enough to cut my finger. And I'd be very happy making shavings with that, but I wonder if it's actually sharp enough to shave with. Let's go and find out. So here we are in the slightly echoey Shea Millard bathroom. I don't normally shave with my glasses on, but I don't normally shave with a cutting iron either. So let's start lathering ourselves up here. Let's see where we get to. Zoom you in a bit. Looks horribly terrifyingly close. I'll move that away. Now, the important question, bevel up or bevel down? Yes, you absolutely can shave with a plane iron. I don't think I'd recommend it though. Is it? It's really good. Surprisingly close shave actually, gotta admit. Tricky bit around the... Says Mrs. 10 Minutes about to step in and see what I'm up to here. No. No, she's not. Okay, fair enough. That's probably wise. Oh dear. No. Bevel down, wrong way. Oh. Huh. Ouch. They could have a less painful shave. I've actually plucked each whisker out. God damn. Gonna rinse the grain with this one. Oh. Shaving left-handed as well now. Impressive. Oh, this is really difficult. They should design these plane irons better for shaving, I think. Definitely not fit for purpose. Ah. Oh, that hurts. Hang on a minute. Need to stem the bleeding. Oh, 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 oh. A little bit under the, there's always a little bit under the lip there. Okay, well. Ah. Ah. God. Man, that stings. Well, it's a shave of sorts. And I think I'll leave this video there. There's not much more you can say about this, really. Is it possible to get a plane iron sharp enough to shave with? Yes, absolutely it is. Would I recommend it? No, absolutely not. Would I do it again? No, absolutely not. I think I've been shaving for 40 odd years now, and this is without question the worst shave I've ever had. Even, you know, the first shave before I knew what I was doing with a safety razor, I still didn't cut myself as much as this, and I've got little sort of stray bits all over my face, which I need to go over with a proper razor now, because I've got a couple of meetings tomorrow. I need to try and tidy myself up for those. But I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you found it entertaining. If you did, give the video a thumbs up, share it freely amongst your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more weekly workshop videos. They really are weekly workshop videos mostly, not like this one, half in and half out. I want to take a minute to thank all of my Patreon supporters for the support they give to the channel, because you really do help me to keep the lights on. And if you are a Patreon supporter, you'll get a weekly workshop video, weekly workshop vlog of bits and pieces that have been happening during the week, and I'll give you a little bit of a behind the scenes in this video as well. I've figured out actually what the problem is for this shaving thing. I've only got one blade. You see, if I had two blades, yeah, the first one would shave you close, and then the second one would shave you closer still. And that's obviously the answer. That's it for this week's video though. I'll see you next time. Take care.